If you've ever struggled with motivation, you're not alone. Most people have hit snooze a few times or maybe a few times each morning. But believe it or not, motivation isn't what gets us out of bed in the morning. Let's dive into this a bit more.
Maybe you've heard the phrase, discipline eats motivation for breakfast. Let me explain what that means. If we solely relied on motivation, we probably wouldn't get very far each day. Motivation is related to feelings and emotions, whereas discipline and habits are related to making conscious decisions. Put simply, motivation equals mood and discipline equals decisions.
So, if discipline eats motivation for breakfast, it means that discipline is a much more powerful force than motivation. If you develop a mindset to make healthy decisions, you will rely less on how you feel about tasks that need to be done, and your reasoning will take over. So, discipline is at the core of healthy habit formation. Let's see how all this impacts the kind of student you want to be.
Our brains are wired to do things that we perceive to be easy. The key word is perceive. To develop healthy habits, we have to temporarily trick our brains into feeling good about something that normally might not be enjoyable. For example, waking up early is hard for some people. But if you wake up just 30 minutes earlier than normal for 30 days, your brain will start to normalize getting up earlier. Eventually, getting up at the new time will become your routine. You need the discipline to make the change until it becomes a healthy habit.
Another practical example is if you study from bed while watching TV because it's comfortable, it will be hard to accomplish anything. A simple change of environment to study can break that habit. To study, go somewhere without a TV or a bed. This type of small habit change can make a big difference. Remember that it takes time for habits to develop, usually around 30 days, so give yourself time and space to grow into your new habit, plus some grace along the way.
When you establish healthy habits, what used to be considered hard work will become more routine and perceived by you as easy. Imagine what would happen if you challenge yourself to do something different and start a new healthy habit. Make a healthy habit change today.